Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining us as we celebrate the 2023 Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Awards, honoring 6 exceptional individuals. Their tireless efforts and outstanding contributions have played an integral part in the success of our organization. Today, we pay tribute to the unwavering dedication of these remarkable providers, each of whom embody our UCSF Pride values. With over 900 APPs across 168 specialties, including nurse practitioners, physician assistants, certified registered nurse anesthetists, and clinical nurse midwives, these individuals represent the pinnacle of excellence in healthcare. Their specialized education and training have empowered them to diagnose, treat, prescribe, and skillfully perform or assist in surgical procedures, significantly impacting patient care and outcomes. US News & World Report ranked UCSF Health among the very best hospitals for 2023, and it goes without saying that our advanced practice professionals played a pivotal role in this achievement. So once again, thank you for being part of this virtual celebration as we applaud the extraordinary achievements of today's award winners. Their accomplishments inspire us all. And now I would like to introduce Dr. Yvette Becerra Ortiz, Chief of Advanced Practice Providers.
Thank you, Chancellor Hawgood. It fills me with immense pride to lead this exceptional division of healthcare professionals who continually deliver outstanding care to our patients at UCSF Health, both in the West and East Bay, ensuring access to continuous and exemplary healthcare. This virtual presentation celebrates and acknowledges the remarkable contributions of over 900 advanced practice providers, the backbone of our medical and nursing fields. These skilled individuals elevate care standards for our most vulnerable populations through their dedication to high-quality, evidence-based care. This year, there were 78 nominations for 51 providers across inpatient and outpatient services, spanning 31 diverse clinical areas, including anesthesia, emergency medicine, oncology, psychiatry, and surgical oncology. These nominations underscored the importance of diversity, quality improvement, research, consulting, access to care, and management in shaping our healthcare landscape. Among our remarkable nominees, including physician assistants, nurse practitioners, and certified registered nurse anesthetists, was their steadfast commitment to UCSF Health's core values and their tireless dedication to providing exceptional patient care. We gathered to celebrate, honor, and express our immense gratitude to these outstanding individuals who have been awarded in the categories of clinician, educator, scientist, leader, diversity, equity, and inclusion, and finance. It is my honor to congratulate the recipients of the 2023 Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
I'm honored to participate in this event as we recognize our advanced practice providers who exemplify our Pride values by serving both as role models for their colleagues and developers of the future generation of healthcare professionals. Our first Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the Scientist category goes to Lisa Catelli. Lisa, a nurse practitioner in the outpatient hepatology clinic, extends her influence beyond clinical practice, championing innovation, collaboration, and an unwavering commitment to the well-being of patients. Her dedication to palliative care and continuous learning is evident by her role as an assistant clinical professor at the UCSF School of Nursing, where she mentors future healthcare leaders. Lisa is the principal investigator for the Bridge program, and actively contributes to clinical trials. Her engagement with the Hepatology Associates Committee of the American Association for the Study of Liver Disease and other special interest groups demonstrates her commitment to advancing liver health. Her influence resonates across the healthcare spectrum, from moderating international conference sessions to driving inclusive healthcare through the UCSF HCV Project ECHO team. Her collaboration on the transformative UCSF Deliver Care Van underscores her dedication to breaking down barriers and reaching underserved populations. Thank you, Lisa, for your unwavering commitment and clinical excellence. Congratulations on winning the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
When I found my way to UCSF several years ago, a world of learning opportunities just opened up for me. I had lived in Italy for several years with my family and had to work below my credentials. So coming into my role as an APP at UCSF just felt like such an honor and a privilege to be among such talent. I owe a lot to Nora Turow and Jenny Price for inspiring me over the years and for also involving me in really novel telemedicine programs to expand our reach beyond UCSF to our outside community. And so I began to envision such a program into clinical care to bridge gaps in care for our patients with liver disease. And in 2020, together with Danielle Brandman and Sarah Miller, we co-created a program in which small groups of patients would engage in peer-based learning and support over the course of several visits in a group video visit with an APP. And we called this program Bridge, an acronym which came to symbolize connecting people together. In fact, several Bridge participants have told us that they feel less alone in their diagnosis and they feel more empowered to doing something about it. And for us as clinicians, it's been so enriching and it has created such joy in our work. So I thank Sarah Miller and Eliana Agudelo, my co-leaders, as well as our fantastic MAs, Riley and Zell, to make this a sustainable program in our institution. I also thank Jen Lai for mentoring me in a clinical research study to measure the impact of the program. And I also, most of all, thank my patients, who I continue to learn so much from, and I never cease to be amazed by their resilience and their wisdom.
Congratulations, Lisa, on winning this prestigious award. I can't imagine anyone else who is more deserving to win this award than you are. I would also like to congratulate you on behalf of all the hepatologists and our hepatology clinic staff. Over the years, you have provided excellent care to hundreds of patients with chronic liver condition. Personally, I have learned so much, especially regarding hepatitis C treatment from you. In addition, I still remember our earlier discussion when you were passionate about starting the Fatty Liver Bridge Clinic, which is now a huge success. Also, your work for Deliver Van to provide hepatitis C treatment to underserved population is commendable. Despite your clinic workload, you always find time and passion for education, research, and mentorship. I am so proud of all of your achievement and good luck for the future. Congrats again. Thank you.
It is my honor to be with you as we acknowledge our amazing advanced practice providers. Our next Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the financial category goes to Stephanie Fang. Stephanie is a nurse practitioner in genitourinary medical oncology at Mission Bay's Precision Cancer Medicine building. Stephanie demonstrates remarkable commitment to financial stewardship by consistently finding ways to improve practice efficiencies and reduce waste. She regularly boasts some of the highest work RVU statistics, a number assigned to every codable direct patient care experience, in the department, and currently carries one of the highest work RVU rankings across the health system. Stephanie's drive to enhance operations is truly remarkable. Drawing from her business expertise, she collaborates with clinical leadership to identify opportunities for enhancements, leading to improved patient volume and operational efficiency. Her endeavors have directly contributed to departmental processes, resulting in increased revenue while maintaining quality of care and job satisfaction levels. Stephanie's impact extends beyond patient care. inspiring peers with her guidance and expertise. Collaborating with clinical and administrative teams, she advocates for improved processes and enhanced healthcare access. Beyond her patient care role, Stephanie volunteers as a nurse practitioner with San Francisco City Impact, aiding under-resourced patients in the Tenderloin. Within her role as an APP Apex educator, Stephanie works closely with both frontline clinicians and administrators to employ the medical record system as a tool to challenge systemic obstacles. Her commitment to equitable healthcare exemplifies true excellence. Thank you, Stephanie, for all that you do, and congratulations on winning an Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
Hello everyone, I'm truly honored to be accepting the Exceptional Advanced Practitioner Award among a remarkable group of physician assistants and nurse practitioners. Since starting here back in 2021, I've felt the support and innovation that UCSF truly fosters, and it's paramount to my personal growth here at UCSF as an APP. One of the biggest reasons why I even ended up here at UCSF was truly because of connections and relationships with my colleagues. And to me, when I say relationships and networking, it's more than just a buzzword. It's been a pivotal factor in my journey as an APP. And I'm so deeply thankful for all the mentors and colleagues who have played such a significant role in inspiring me and also guiding me along the way. I wanted to just say that I'm sincerely grateful for this award and the opportunities that it really represents. And I hope to continue to encourage others to strengthen each of their connections, continue to learn from one another, and really elevate the standards within our fields.
Stephanie, we congratulate you as recipient of the UCSF Exceptional APP Award. Your work as a nurse practitioner is a model for excellence for all APPs at UCSF.
You consistently go above and beyond for your patients, using your deep oncology knowledge to deliver exceptional healthcare outcomes.
Working with you has been inspiring, Stephanie. Your exemplary leadership within the Cancer Center creates a collaborative and supportive environment, empowering your team to provide exceptional care.
Your contributions go beyond the clinic. You serve as a co-investigator in several clinical trials, and you play a vital role in elevating the APP practice through the EMR system.
Stephanie, we couldn't be prouder of this well-deserved recognition.
Congratulations, Stephanie.
I am pleased to be part of this virtual presentation as we celebrate our amazing advanced practice providers. The Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the clinician category goes to Ariel Joves. Ariel is an extraordinary inpatient nurse practitioner, serving as an invaluable asset to the neurohospitalist service. His unwavering dedication to patient care, clinical proficiency, and exceptional leadership has etched a lasting impression on our institution. In just 2 years, Ariel has gone from a nurse on the neuroscience unit to a vital member of the neurology ward service, exemplifying his unyielding pursuit of clinical excellence. His rapport with the nursing staff and mentorship through the NP program underscore his dedication to fostering growth. Ariel's commitment to education is equally remarkable, as he assumes a pivotal position in teaching lumbar puncture techniques to his fellow colleagues. Ariel's commitment to elevating quality is highlighted by his proactive approach in enhancing safety protocols exemplified by his groundbreaking work on the lumbar puncture protocol for Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. This initiative serves as a testament to Ariel's innovative thinking and ability to effectively guide projects to success. Ariel's dedication to diversity, equity, and inclusion is evident through his proactive advocacy for underrepresented communities, embodying his thoughtful approach to fostering inclusivity. Ariel radiates excellence, compassion, and leadership in neurology. His genuine warmth, relentless dedication to education, and support for fellow APP advancement make him a valuable asset to our entire institution. Congratulations, Ariel, on winning the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
I express gratitude to my colleagues who acknowledge my clinical work through this award. I'm truly privileged to be working alongside all of you. to the compassionate, talented neurohospitalists in my division, Vanya Douglas, Malik Shaw, Megan Ritchie, Ilan Guterman, Sarah Lehue, and Andy Josephson, how I get to witness their crafts every single day. They definitely set up my success and happiness as an APP within our neurology division. I remember taking this role over 2.5 years ago as a newly graduate nurse practitioner, and how it was made less confusing and less stressful with the support of Jennifer Viner, my APP mentor, and senior nurse practitioner Stacy Wong and Marlena Burt of the neurosurgery department. They supported me and answered a number of my earlier professional dilemmas, and how they are still one of my go-to resources as I further my career here at UCSF. To the nursing team and leadership who I get to work with day in and day out, figuring practical solutions to patient care and safety that really reaches the patients and their family members, I'm so happy to be a part of your team. It is one of my desires to have a fruitful career here at UCSF, as long as my patients need me, and this institution sets up the platform for me to be able to enjoy my work within my full scope of practice as a nurse practitioner, then I will continue to stay. This award is a celebration of all UCSF APPs, how they are full of talents, how they are all very compassionate, and how they are all full of wisdom. And I'm so happy to be a part of this community. Thank you.
Ariel, I remember when I first taught you how to do a lumbar puncture, how extraordinarily quickly you picked it up. I have never seen anyone learn how to do lumbar puncture as quickly as you. And now I think you are way better than I will ever be. I think there's probably 1,000 things that you could teach me about lumbar puncture. And I think that's really true about so much more. Clinical neurology, what you know, and what you know how to do. It's incredible. You have been just the most amazing addition to our service, and you are such a treasure.
Hi, Ariel. Eight Long here. Hey. Ariel, it was my honor to nominate you for the Exceptional APP Award, and we are all so thrilled that you received this award. As you were once a bedside nurse on 8 Long, you understand our workflows and the challenges of bedside nursing. Your communication style is always professional, and you ensure that all involved, patients, families, and nurses, are aware of the plan of care and any changes to it. You do this by rounding on patients, talking directly to bedside nurses, checking in with our charge nurses, and participating in our multidisciplinary rounds. You demonstrate pride values in all your work and interactions, and we appreciate that. You are well known on our floor as the lumbar puncture expert. You have great success with lumbar punctures, and I know that you do a lot of training for the neurology team because you're so good at this procedure. You have also teamed up with 8 Long on reducing CAUTI, and we successfully met our IAP goal, and we appreciate you being part of that success. We also want to thank you for mentoring all the NP students we have working on 8 Long right now, and kind of pushing them along in their programs, supporting them. And we also really appreciated you coming to our staff meeting and talking about a very interesting case, the Guillain-Barré syndrome case, and the wonderful presentation you did. We all really enjoyed it. You made it so interesting and meaningful for our staff. Thanks, Ariel.
Congratulations, Ariel.
Congratulations.
I am honored to present the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion category to Alexandria Ledlow. As a nurse practitioner specializing in women's health, Alexandria's commitment to her role goes far beyond the ordinary. Her passion for providing comprehensive care during the critical postpartum period is truly inspiring. Her dedication led her to establish a one-of-a-kind postpartum clinic, which is a testament to her vision and drive to make a meaningful impact on her patients' lives. Her deep empathy and understanding of her patients' needs transcends the conventional boundaries of care to ensure their well-being. Through her presentations and contributions to various groups within UCSF Health, Alexandria has empowered many with her insights into breastfeeding medicine and postpartum care. Her advocacy for equitable care, particularly for her most vulnerable patients, is a clear indication of her social consciousness and determination to make a difference. Alexandria has not only immersed herself in the intricate field of breastfeeding medicine, but has also emerged as a leading expert. Her clinical acumen is unparalleled, and her ability to navigate complex cases with grace and precision has garnered the respect of her colleagues. Amidst ongoing challenges in women's health, Alexandria stands as a leading force to drive change. Through her determined endeavors, she plays a pivotal role in the collective pursuit of reducing maternal mortality rates. Thank you, Alexandria, for your invaluable contributions to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Congratulations on winning the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
I first just want to thank everybody who was a part of this nomination and decision-making process. It is such an honor to get an award like this, especially at an organization where there are so many wonderful advanced practice providers. I have been able to grow so much in my clinical skills in my time here at UCSF, and I really couldn't have done that without the other providers and nurses and lactation consultants that I work with. My work in postpartum care was really sparked by a grand rounds that we had in spring of 2022, and that gave me a peek into the world of breastfeeding medicine. I think that really shows the value in having these types of learning opportunities like grand rounds. The work that I have been doing, a lot of it has been in collaboration with other providers and in other departments, between urogynecology and breastfeeding medicine, pelvic floor PT. All of that has really helped to both build my clinical skills as well as ways that we can think collaboratively about the care that we're giving to patients and make sure that we're building systems that are meeting some of those patient needs. So it's been so wonderful to be a part of this, and it really is not anything that I have done alone. So I really want to acknowledge those people. And also say that I'm excited for the work that we're going to continue to do. There's so much more that needs to continue to happen here, so I'm looking forward to that. Thank you.
Alexandria, we are so excited that you got this exceptional APP award, but we're not surprised. We're so thankful to have you as a part of the team for women's health. You have been an exceptional nurse practitioner who really cares about your patients and have developed this amazing postpartum clinic that we're so proud of you for. We can't wait to see what you're gonna do with hopefully some new training in breastfeeding and just launch that as a part of your arsenal of excellent clinical acumen that you share with your patients and with us every day. We're so thankful to have you, and this is such a well-deserved accolade. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Alexandria, on this Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award. We are so proud of you and grateful for all of the work you have done with our postpartum population and helping to expand access to these patients. We are excited to see this program continue to grow and see what services we may be able to offer these patients in the future. So again, congratulations on this exceptional award. It is so well deserved.
I have the honor of introducing an exceptional individual whose dedication and expertise have left a mark on the world of surgical care and patient outcomes. It is with great pride that I present the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the educational category to Sean Mara. Sean is a physician assistant in the Urologic Surgical Oncology Department at our Mission Bay campus. She collaborates closely in the operating room with attendings, where she consistently demonstrates her unmatched skills and dedication. Serving as a first assistant, Sean has participated in over 1,000 complex surgical cases, showcasing her exceptional capabilities. Her mastery of the intuitive Da Vinci robotic devices sets her apart not only within our hospital, but in the broader medical community as well. Sean took the initiative to enhance the practices and inclusive training of residents at UCSF in the use of the Da Vinci robotic platform. Since 2021, her instrumental role in introducing and training the urology team on the robotic surgical platform has now positioned UCSF at the forefront of innovation. Her efforts have resulted in not only improved patient care, but also significant time and cost savings for our institution. Her willingness to go beyond expectations and her role in facilitating resident education at the robotic console highlights her commitment to fostering the growth of future medical professionals. Her energy, optimism, and commitment to patient well-being serve as an inspiration to us all. Congratulations, Sean, on winning the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
Good evening, everyone. I am deeply honored and grateful to be receiving the award of Advanced Practitioner of the Year for 2023. This recognition means the world to me, and I want to extend a very heartfelt thank you to the UCSF community for acknowledging my hard work and dedication to this hospital that I love so much. To my team in the urology department, a team that has been nothing short of extraordinary, thank you. Thank you for teaching me and allowing me to teach as well. Thank you for encouraging and guiding me so that I can be the best PA I can be. To the incredible surgeons I work with, and I work with a lot, so bear with me, I'm going to name a few. Ben Breyer, Seema Porton, Max Mang, Matt Kuperberg, Annabelle Odisho, Sam Washington, Hao Nguyen, Katsudo Shinohara, thank you. To the phenomenal fellows and residents that I have the pleasure of watching become phenomenal urologists. To my OR nurses, my colleague Tia Watson, my manager Kathy, and of course Yvette, thank you. It is an absolute joy to come to work every single day, and it's because of all of you. I want to extend a special acknowledgement to Dr. Peter Carroll, my mentor, whose guidance and unwavering support have had a profound impact on my professional growth and development. Your wisdom, your mentorship, and your friendship have allowed me to become the PA I am today, and I am deeply grateful for all of the opportunities that you have provided for me. Thank you again, UCSF. This is such an honor, and I look forward to many more years serving our UCSF community and being the best PA I can be. Thank you. Good night.
Sean Mara, you're a joy to work with, well-liked by all. You're a problem solver and an important resource for many. On a personal note, your performance in the operating room has simply transformed the experience for patients, staff, our trainees, and importantly, me. Every day I come to the OR focused and ready. When I see you, however, my pulse slows and my breathing becomes more measured, as I know whatever I face that day, you'll be there to ensure the best possible outcomes for my patients. Sean, I and my patients feel blessed. Congratulations on this very well-deserved achievement. You deserve it.
Congratulations, Sean, on this richly deserved award. You are exceptionally good at what you do in the OR, but you also take ownership of the patient's journey both before and after the cases. You're a wonderful teacher to our trainees and a fantastic team member. You're always looking for better ways to do things and bring a really positive energy to the cases. It helps the whole team achieve great outcomes for our patients every day. So again, congratulations, and thank you for everything that you do.
Sean, we congratulate you as recipient of the UCSF Exceptional APP Award. Your work as a physician assistant specializing in urologic oncology procedures in the operating room is a model for a unique and expanded scope of practice for all APPs. We're inspired by your expertise and want you to know that your presence improves the life of patients and teammates each and every day.
Sean, we really appreciate your contributions to providing our patients with excellent care and your willingness and skill in training our residents and fellows in the OR and beyond.
Thank you so much for all of your contributions to teaching other APPs and training our Cancer Center APP fellows.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Sean.
Congratulations, Sean.
I eagerly anticipate this annual celebration where we showcase our incredible advanced practice providers and extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you for your remarkable achievements. Our final Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award in the leadership category goes to Megan Rathfon. Megan is a nurse practitioner in the Division of Geriatrics within the Department of Medicine. Her exceptional leadership on the UCSF Acute Care for Elders Unit has redefined geriatric care standards and exemplifies clinical excellence. Through tailored assessments and treatments, she sets a patient-centered benchmark addressing unique needs. Megan's leadership fosters interdisciplinary collaboration in daily rounds, enhancing patient outcomes. She consistently leads by example, demonstrating compassion, empathy, and a profound understanding of challenges faced by older adults. Megan's influence extends beyond clinical practice. She is a guiding light in geriatric education for fellow APPs and nurses, fostering a culture of ongoing growth through mentorship. Her contributions to quality improvement initiatives and influential research papers underscores her dedication to healthcare advancement. Megan's leadership shines not only in clinical care, but also in championing diversity, equity, and inclusion. Her exemplary commitment to cultural sensitivity creates an environment that values diverse perspectives and patient-centered care. Her initiatives have enhanced access for underserved communities, solidifying her role as a true DEI champion. Congratulations, Megan, on winning the Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award.
Hello, UCSF community. I'd like to acknowledge the efforts of the people who brought this ceremony to fruition. I'm grateful I work for an institution that values the contributions of the hundreds of UCSF advanced practice providers. Thank you for this award. I'm truly honored and humbled to be recognized from amongst an incredible group of nominees. This recognition is not just a reflection of my individual efforts, but a testament to the support and collaboration of the remarkable team that surrounds me. I want to share this award with my exceptional physician colleagues in inpatient geriatrics and the dedicated pharmacists, nurse managers, nurses, patient care assistants, physical and occupational therapists, and support staff on the Acute Care for Elders Unit on 15 Long at Parnassus. Their teamwork makes the ACE unit what it is and enables our geriatric service to provide holistic care focused on the well-being of hospitalized older adults. I am passionate about improving the hospital experience, health outcomes, and care transitions for older adults, and feel privileged to work with inspiring colleagues and friends who I learn from daily and who've supported my growth as a provider. I also want to thank my family for their never-ending love and support. Thank you once again for this honor.
Megan, congratulations on a much-deserved award. We all absolutely love working with you, and you're such an important member of our team. Thank you for everything that you do.
Congratulations, Megan, on your amazing work on our Acute Care for Elders unit. You are the backbone of this program, and you've helped so many older adults who've been hospitalized at Moffitt Long Hospital. So thank you for all you do, and congratulations again on this well-deserved award.
Thank you for joining us as we celebrate this year's Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award winners. As President and CEO of UCSF Health, I have the pleasure of witnessing firsthand the remarkable qualities that distinguish our healthcare organization as one of the nation's best hospitals, with our APPs undeniably contributing significantly to this accomplishment. In a world where challenges continue to test our limits, the healthcare professionals we have recognized stand as leaders of determination, resilience, and innovation. These qualities form the foundation of our success at UCSF Health. Congratulations to this year's Exceptional Advanced Practice Provider Award winners. Please stay tuned as we revisit our previous winners through this short video. Enjoy.
Collectively, you make our clinical operation one of the very best in the country, and UCSF Health is one of the best places to work. Your stories are a constant source of inspiration to me and many others, so thank you for all that you do.
The caliber of medicine practiced throughout our healthcare system is unmatched, and it never ceases to amaze me. The level of talent that I see daily among my colleagues.
It is such an honor to be able to work beside such a dedicated team of healthcare professionals who continue to help me grow every day, both as an individual and professionally.
Each of us is dedicated to serving the men, women, and children who put themselves in our hands during their deeply personal moments of vulnerability and uncertainty. And that requires a tremendous leap of faith. And so here at UCSF, we honor the trust that the patients put in us by providing first-rate care.
Congratulations and enjoy this. Let it marinate in the sauce of this awesomeness, because you are amazing.